Welcome to the only PEZ factory in the entire world. Over 70 million dispensers and over 5 billion pieces of candy are made each year right here in Orange, Connecticut. Today, I'm accompanied by my sister, Amelia.
Heyo.
This is the entrance to the PEZ factory.
And if you look right over here, we have every single location and place that people have come from the PEZ factory.
Bro, people have been from Africa, Europe, all the states from the US.
Look at this humongous PEZ mural.
Behind me is the world's biggest PEZ. Let's see what happens if we press this button. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. It didn't dispense. Oh, that's really sad. Time for a quick history lesson. The first PEZ was made in 1927 by Edward Haas III. The original PEZ factory was in Vienna, Austria. And in 1973 they moved to Connecticut, and in the same decade they also introduced this guy.
What even?
In this cabinet here are some of the rare PEZ from around the world. Here's a 2003 Crystal Yoda. This is the rarest Disney character, Mary Poppins. And right here are some 1960s PEZ. And this right here is a limited edition ladybug dispenser with real crystals on it.
Bedazzled.
We get it, they were bedazzled, yes.
Okay, so Cocoa Puffs, Lucky Charms, Cheerios. And you got your tricks, like the best cereals, right? They got everything over here.
Hey, it's LeBron James.
Jacob, over there.
What? Why? Why?
Get over there. I need a picture.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. All right. Alright, so we're gonna go on the second floor, see what's happening over there. Look at all that artwork over there. Beautiful, just beautiful. Alright, so I really be on the second floor by myself. Kuba left me here. And I can show you this nice little PEZ motorcycle. Alright, look at all these baby PEZs. Look how cute they are. Perfect for Kuba. Here we got some vintage PEZ machines. And you got your PEZ in there, 25 cents, dang. Look at these cute lights over there, pastel, amazing. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I have not seen Kuba in a while, so we need to go find him because he's missing. All right, Kuba has been found, let's go. You wanna take a little peek? He's just standing there. Yo, Kuba! Are you good?
No. Behind me is all the PEZ candy that they have. They got all of the ordinary flavors here, and they have sugar cookie as well. Nah, you wanna try on a hat?
No. Yeah, we can't go down. Oh.
So behind me is the factory where they produce all of the PEZ in the world. Millions and millions of PEZ get produced right behind me here. Alright, so now we're gonna go on a hidden elf hunt and try to find all 8 of these elves that are scattered all across the factory.
Let's go! Let's go! We got number 1. Right here, number 3.
There are no hidden elves in the bathroom. Another one.
Numero 5.
We found number 6, okay? We went on a dangerous journey to find it, and it is right over here, in the most unusual of places.
Number 7. Number 7.
I saw you guys videotaping and all that.
Yeah.
Is it for class or is it?
It's for YouTube.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. We completed the scavenger hunt.
All right, let's see. You guys figured it out. Good job.
Yes. For completing the challenge, we get to spin the wheel to see what PEZ we get. Nice. one.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you enjoyed today's video at the PEZ Factory, then you'll definitely like my worst versus best takeout challenge video I did right here. Look what I found.
Hey everyone, it's
Dr.
Dr. Phil
Phil.
here.